PTI is a custom plastic injection molding company in Macomb Township, Michigan. We employ about 325 people and we run 3 shifts every day. We were founded in 1984 in a small machine shop in Warren, and we've built it up to this 160,000 square foot facility that we're in now. PTI serves a variety of industries. The majority of our business comes from medical, but we also service the transportation industry, which is essentially automotive. We provide products for autonomous vehicles and electric vehicles. In addition, we serve the aerospace and defense industry, electronics, and consumer products. PTI is a one-stop shop, essentially. We have an in-house design firm, and we also have in-house tooling and over 57 injection molding machines on the manufacturing floor. Some of the products that we manufacture include a backpack assembly for firefighters. We also make parts for a helmet that surgeons wear during procedures that provides light and ventilation. And also we have several parts for an automated feeding device that assists people that can't feed themselves.
I remember the conversation or the meeting I had with CCS people at my high school doing a portfolio review a long time ago. And then I went down there to campus, took a walk, and I was using to go in just for fine arts painting and all that because that's kind of where my passions were at the time. Then I stumbled upon the industrial design department, and it was like, wow, look at this. It was sculpted cars. They had shoes and apparel products, handheld devices, and it was all the artwork that went behind it and to all their models. It was just, my mind was blown, and it was like, that's it. So that's kind of where I went that day. You have to have some or a lot of innate artistic capability to begin with. Then the creative schools or art schools that you go to just kind of elevate that, to a more professional level. Some kids, they don't need to necessarily go that route. If you got the gift, and you got the gift. I've been at PTI, this November will be 15 years. I was brought into PTI to kind of start industrial design department. They basically had a need to talk to their customer when their product was already designed, but it wasn't designed for manufacturing. So they wanted me to help massage a part or a component to be moldable or machinable or manufacturable in essence. Once I got in front of their customers and started talking to them, their eyes lit up. We started parading around, visiting customers, showing off kind of what our new capabilities were, and we were able to actually win some of that business earlier on, actually working with their marketing team instead of their engineers at the time to kind of look at styling, branding, the experience with the products. It was a win-win for us because we get more manufacturing business and we also make more product and the customer sells more product, and it's like a win-win for everybody. So that's kind of how I started here at PTI and kind of how it grew into this kind of its own entity or identity. So we work on everything from plastic parts, metal content, the sky is the limit really, but just because it's made out of plastic doesn't mean we can't design for it.
So in the tool room here at PTI, our main objective is to support the manufacturing statement, and by that I mean to build quality tools where manufacturing can produce a quality product for our customer. We do a lot of the pre-assessment of projects, part feasibility. We want to know that the estimating team has all the tools that they need to cost those jobs effectively, both for PTI's sake and for our customer's sake. So we get involved in what we call DFMs, Design for Manufacturing. We assess jobs, we communicate with the customers on potential improvements that they can make. And so then from there, the whole process starts. I think what we're looking for is what everyone's looking for in a different way. We're looking for reliable people, ambitious people, people who want to do a good job at whatever it is they're doing. So ultimately, what we're looking for is people who are interested in hands-on work, whether that's with a computer, whether that's with a machine, whether that's, everyone has their different thing that they enjoy or their different aptitude, and what we want to try to do is fit that with what fits for us. So someone who wants to be challenged every day, someone who wants to do something a little bit different every day, someone who wants to learn more about this. There's so much to learn, so many different personalities that are very successful in what we have, so it's just a matter of wanting to do something productive.
I came to PTI the first time through manufacturing day at my high school, Cousino. I was in the shop class there, the machining program, and we just took a tour, and I didn't really know a lot about manufacturing. I kind of thought that it was just a kind of dirty field with it wasn't like a super, I don't know, clean place. And coming to PTI, it just totally changed my mind on that, and I seen that it's really more of a laboratory, like state-of-the-art facility, and all manufacturing is really kind of going that way. Some advice I'd probably give is, if you're interested in joining this trade, is to just have an open mind and just have a really good attitude and a willingness to learn, being just open to whatever input somebody else might have, because everybody that works in this trade is just wanting to help everybody and teach their knowledge that they've gained over the hundreds of years they've been doing it.
It's really a great thing with me, all them years working. You want to like what you do, and I'll give you that tip while you're young and starting off. We really look to always stay up on the greatest technology and try to be leaders in the field and not followers, but it's ever changing, always new stuff. We need young people like yourself to come in, work in a very clean environment, air-conditioned plant, come in and go home well-dressed and clean, not like when I started in the business. There is a lot of positions. There's entry level if you have no experience. If you have experience, we try to bring you in at them levels. We, here at PTI, we really work hard to advance people from within and grow people like I did myself. You'll be able to start off at an entry-level area if you don't have any experience, and we could start showing you, training you as we get going. Again, we're going to post these jobs for new opportunities. You always have chance for advancements. It could go on and on. We really do make a lot of parts here that really make a difference in people's lives.
I think I'm one of the rare breeds that probably knew what they wanted to do when I was about 10 years old, and it was engineering. And I always gravitated towards the manufacturing side of that. At about 17 years old, going to injection molding facilities, seeing the molding process, and then seeing the automation that contributed to that, that was really the point where I knew that's what I wanted to go off to college and do. So I came in as a manufacturing engineer, which was very exciting. It was fun to kind of hit the ground running. From there, I moved on to our senior manager of manufacturing and engineering and oversaw our assembly operations along with our engineering operations, as to most recently, as of October of last year, as our assistant plant manager. My advice going to somebody who's young that's going into manufacturing is understanding what you're passionate about. There are certainly opportunities that you can break into the business without an education. Smaller certifications would allow you to build and grow in certain trades. Understanding where you want to go, now is the time certainly to research these jobs and find the one that you're passionate about so you can start mapping out that path.
So I started as a manufacturing engineer back in 2017, and as of last September, I was promoted to lead manufacturing engineer. I went to school at Ferris State University in Big Rapids, Michigan for plastics and polymer engineering technology. So some of the technology we're currently working on here at PTI is collaborative automation. What that means is robotics and machinery that can work side by side with people. Traditional industrial automation requires caging around the entire cell or around all the machinery. Collaborative automation doesn't require any of that, so that serves PTI for two very important reasons. One of them being the floor space can be much less, so you can fit more automation into one area. as well as it is much more mobile to move around automation to different stations. If it is collaborative, it can be safe to work around in any workspace. Typical days here at PTI start with making sure everything on the molding floor and on the assembly floor is running well. That's about 25 to 50% of the day. It's just the normal upkeep. The remainder is looking for new opportunities or better ways to manufacture product here at PTI, trying to streamline different products and streamline different laborious tasks to make them easier. The best part of my job by far is playing with robots and lasers.
I'm the quality engineering manager at PTI, and our department handles all the quality assurance activities for new product launches and ensure that all the requirements set forth by our customers are met in our product before we ship them. There are roughly 10 positions at a standard company. There are engineering positions, we have inspectors, we have metrology employees, we have programmers, and we also have people that do document control activities. And so, the quality assurance department is a very diverse department and one that's necessary to keep products in line and ensure our customers are happy with the products that we're shipping them. Metrology is measuring things. Our metrology department would get a drawing from the customer and measure all the different dimensions on the drawing and figure out how to measure them. And so the metrology department is very important to PTI because it ensures that we are efficient and it has some ability for people to be able to figure out things. So they can figure out how to measure something. There's 10 different ways that a dimension can be measured, and so it gives people the opportunity to use their minds and come up with their own way to measure things, and gives them some flexibility and ability to use the skills that they develop through the company. The metrology department definitely invest in technology. Technology is a big part of it. We have automated inspection equipment, which is really driving the quality inspection at most companies now. And so you could take a part and set it down on a stage and hit a button, and it will check all of the dimensions on the part and then also tell you if the part's good or not. And so people that understand computers and technology and programming, it's a great area for them to get into a company and get a great job. Quality is paramount to ensuring that a company has a good reputation and provides products that meet the expectations. So, any company that manufactures anything has quality assurance department. So it's a career that is going to be there. It was there 50 years ago and will be there 50 years from now.
In March of 2022, we will have been around for 38 years. I have had many roles here at PTI. I've been at the front desk, I've been a quality inspector, and I've worked for accounting. PTI supported me in my career path a couple times, actually. I've been here since I was 17 years old, and I was a quality inspector for a couple years. During that time, PTI supported me by helping me pay for college and providing me with multiple different training opportunities. Once I was able to get off the floor, I started writing the books that I had previously been using, which was very exciting for me.
As with many manufacturing companies, there are a number of roles here. On the business side, we have positions in accounting, purchasing, program management, quality, and sales and marketing. On the manufacturing side, we have tool makers, warehouse management, material handlers, distribution, machine operators, quality inspectors, just to name a few. As with a lot of other manufacturing companies, PTI provides tuition reimbursement. Essentially, there's a place for everyone in manufacturing.